Okay, so you can see I've got the flat pipe all the way in here on this granny flat, and you can probably see up there, see how it's blowing out just there now, right? That's because I'm up to there, and I just got to move it back a little bit. But you can see some fluff all the way back on the roof, way back there, and that's because it got all the way to the end, right? And so we just pull it back a little bit, and we just keep pulling it back until it's full. And that's where doing a job like this with cellulose fibres not difficult. But if you imagine trying to do this job with fiberglass bats, you'd have to lift the whole roof, or most of the roof, to put them in, and then even then you'd probably end up with gaps like what they've got. Right, so see, so just keep moving back. And so this is a normal rake section process, and you can see there as it blocks up, it's pushing back, right? So that's full. Right. So that's how we do a rake section, and you can see how much past the hose there it is, right? That it actually fills all the way around it and pushes back as it comes, and it just fills in all the gaps everywhere that there's a gap in underneath there. So that's how long that hose is, but it got all the way up to the end because it just pumps a long way past the end and then fills it back, and we pull the hose out. So